Did you know that prickly pears offer numerous health benefits? In this video by The Daily Eco, we discuss their properties, ways to consume them, and any potential side effects. Properties of prickly pear. Prickly pears, also known as figs or figs of the Indies, are a fruit with remarkable health benefits. They are low in calories but packed with essential nutrients. These fruits have a sweet flavor reminiscent of pears and melons. Nutritionally, prickly pears contain less than 50 calories per 100 grams and are rich in vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and phosphorus. Their fiber content makes them great for gut health and beneficial for diabetics. The most noteworthy properties of prickly pears are their hepatoprotective, antioxidant, metabolic regulating, and astringent qualities. Including this fruit in your diet can offer numerous benefits for your overall well-being. Benefits of prickly pear. Prickly pears offer a wide range of benefits. They can help combat hangovers and fatigue, prevent premature aging, and reduce bad cholesterol. These fruits are highly recommended for managing non-acute diarrhea, and the mucilage they contain aids in regenerating the gastric mucosa. These fruits are highly recommended for managing non-acute diarrhea. Also, the mucilage they contain aids in regenerating the gastric mucosa, helping to fight ulcers, heartburn, and gastritis. Additionally, their satiating effect, combined with their low fat content, makes them a valuable addition to slimming diets. In fact, it's common to include prickly pears in such diets due to their nutritional properties and overall health benefits. But before we continue, let us put you to the test. What is the water content percentage in prickly pears? 30%, 60%, 90%. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. How to eat prickly pear. There are various delicious ways to enjoy prickly pears. Fresh, as a juice, in jam, ice cream, and pudding. The most common method is eating them fresh as a fruit. However, you must be cautious due to their fine thorns. To handle them safely, wear gloves and peel the fruit by cutting off the ends and making a longitudinal cut. Open the skin to easily remove the pulp by hand. The fleshy and tasty pulp can be eaten along with the seeds, which are harmless. In Mexico, you'll find prickly pear juice often served chilled. It has a thick texture and a delightful flavor on its own, but it's also great when combined with carrot for a nice twist. Prickly pear jam is a classic treat, typically enhanced with a small amount of lemon juice. And don't forget about prickly pear ice cream made with cream and brown sugar, a dessert that leaves a lasting impression. Finally, it's also common to enjoy them in pudding. Contraindications. The fruit's astringent effect can be helpful in managing diarrhea, but it may not be suitable for individuals with constipation. If you suffer from constipation, consume prickly pears with moderation and caution. In rare cases, some people with digestive issues may experience mild diarrhea, nausea, or intestinal disorders after eating prickly pears. If you notice any discomfort like bloating or frequent and larger stools than usual, consider stopping the consumption of prickly pears and observe the changes. And going back to the question we asked you earlier, have you thought it through? The correct answer is C. Prickly pears are made of 90% water. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to reach out. Until next time.